Hi, welcome to WizStudio. Let's get started. WizStudio provides an intuitive editor which makes building ML pipelines easy. For example, let's build a machine learning pipeline. Let's add a step to execute our data processing code. Next in our pipeline, we will be adding a feature engineering step that is compute heavy and needs to be distributed among multiple machines. For that, let's add a custom component first. Here we can enable distribution and specify the number of nodes to distribute upon. As this step is compute heavy, we can define the resource requirements, and when we execute this pipeline, the system will autoscale and the required machines will be available for this step. To receive a notification when my pipeline is complete, notifier can be added. There is a step to execute Spark jobs, and if you want to trigger an existing training pipeline after feature engineering, you can add the pipeline component for that. On pressing back, we can navigate through all the pipelines that we have created. New versions can be created for this pipeline, and to execute this pipeline, we can create a run from here. The integrated Jupyter Labs allow data scientists to collaboratively experiment and write data science code. WizStudio provides a playground to quickly test the code on high-resource machine. You can build a new runtime or modify existing one by specifying installation commands required for your code execution. In our playground, all the pipeline components are available as well. Let's add a step and choose the runtime. We'll get the path of the script and paste it here, define the resource requirements, and execute this step. We can observe the logs here for debugging. In the Experiments tab, we track all our runs. Runs can be clubbed into experiments to better organize them. We can individually examine the runs, look at logs, and see the status of each step in the pipeline. We can easily clone a run to execute it with different set of configurations. Along with manual runs, we can also schedule a recurring run using cron expressions. WizStudio also provides an interface to serve your models on top of Kubernetes with pre-built features like autoscaling and load balancing. After deployment, you can test the model server endpoints with an intuitive UI and get the response. You can observe the server logs along with any other defined metrics all in the same place. Manage team members and maintain your platform in settings section. Check for updates at your own convenience, and with just one click, the platform can be upgraded using our built-in updater. WizStudio lets you manage different working environments. You can create as many different working environments as you'd like by just simply entering the name and sharing the cluster details. With just one click, WizStudio can be deployed on your cluster. Thank you for watching.